Hey guys again. Today we're gonna play. Oh wait. Today we're gonna play with this blue slime. See in my hand I'm playing with. You could watch it if it's hard playing with it. I'm so very confused how I like this. It's made of toothpaste. Bring the toothpaste down. And look how squishy and mushy is it. I love to play with it. Do you like to play with it? Do you have any kids? Great. Not for grown-ups, just for kids. How stretchy and gooey is that? Okay, I need to wash my hands, wipe my hands, and do everything in my hands because I have light blue hands. Light blue hands. Yes, squishy and icky. See you on the next video of this again, because I only make videos for this. Because it's the only one in the whole world. I don't need just more. See you next time.